Have you ever wondered if those viral passive income ideas you see online actually work? What if I told you I tested 5 of the most popular ones to separate the hype from reality? In this video, I'll show you exactly what worked, what flopped, and what you should try if you're serious about making money while doing, well, pretty much nothing. Stick around, because the last idea completely surprised me, and it might be the easiest way to get started today. Alright, let's get into it. Everyone loves the idea of passive income. Money flowing into your bank account while you're binge-watching Netflix or taking a nap. But here's the truth. Not all passive income ideas are created equal. Some require more work than you'd expect, while others truly deliver on their promise. I tested 5 of the most talked about ideas to find out what actually works. 1. Selling digital products on Etsy. The first idea I tried was creating and selling digital products on Etsy. You've probably seen people online bragging about how they made thousands of dollars selling things like planners, templates, or printables. So, I thought, why not give it a shot? I decided to make a budget planner using Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's basically design software for people like me who have the artistic skills of a potato. I spent a weekend creating the planner, uploaded it to Etsy, and priced it at $10. Here's what I learned. The design and upload process was easy, but getting people to actually find my product was the tricky part. I had to learn about SEO, search engine optimization, and use keywords like budget template and finance planner to make it searchable. I also promoted the product on Pinterest, which surprisingly brought in a lot of traffic. The results? In 2 weeks, I made $200. Not life-changing, but considering I only created the product once, it's definitely a win. Verdict: this works, but it's not as set it and forget it as some people claim. You'll need to market your product, especially in the beginning, but once it gains traction, it becomes a great source of passive income. Next up, affiliate marketing. This one's been called the ultimate passive income hack. You recommend products or services, and whenever someone makes a purchase using your link, you get paid a commission. I signed up for Amazon Associates and chose a niche: home office setups. Think ergonomic chairs, standing desks, and fancy lighting. Then, I created a simple YouTube video reviewing my favorite desk gadgets and dropped my affiliate links in the description. Here's how it went. The first few days were quiet, but as the video gained views, clicks on the links started to trickle in. Over 3 weeks, I earned $150 in commissions. Not bad for a video I filmed in one afternoon. Verdict: affiliate marketing works, but it's a long-term game. You need consistent traffic, whether from YouTube, a blog, or social media, but once you build an audience, the income potential is huge. 3. Print-on-demand products. The third idea I tested was print-on-demand. This is where you design products like t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags, upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Printify, and let them handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. I created a series of coffee-themed mugs with slogans like "Espresso yourself" and "But first coffee." Designing them was actually fun and took less than a day. Once the store was set up, I waited for the sales to roll in. Here's the reality. Nothing happened. Turns out, simply having a store isn't enough. You need to market it. After running a $50 Instagram ad campaign, I got 12 sales, earning $120 in profit. Verdict: print-on-demand works, but it's not 100% passive unless you already have a following or are willing to invest in advertising. 4. Dividend investing. Let's switch gears to something more traditional: dividend investing. This is where you buy stocks or ETFs that pay you regular dividends, essentially a paycheck for holding their shares. I started with $1,000 and invested in 2 dividend-focused ETFs: SCHD, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, and VYM, Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. These funds are great because they diversify your investment across multiple companies. After 1 month, I earned 15 in dividends. I know it doesn't sound like much, but here's the kicker. If you reinvest those dividends, your portfolio grows exponentially over time. This is the definition of slow and steady wins the race. Verdict: dividend investing is perfect for long-term passive income. It's not flashy, but it's reliable and truly hands-off. 5. Real estate crowdfunding. Finally, I tried real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate projects without needing hundreds of thousands of dollars. I invested $500 to start, and the platform spread my money across various properties, like apartment complexes and commercial buildings. After a month, I earned $8 in dividends. Not mind-blowing, but considering it's completely passive, I can't complain. Plus, as the properties appreciate in value, there's potential for bigger returns down the line. Verdict: this is a great way to diversify your portfolio and earn truly passive income, but it's more of a long-term play than a quick win. The biggest takeaway: no passive income stream is truly set it and forget it at the start. Most require some initial effort, whether it's marketing, creating content, or building an audience. But once you put in the work, the rewards can be amazing. So, there you have it. 5 viral passive income ideas tested. We covered digital products, affiliate marketing, print on demand, dividend investing, and real estate crowdfunding. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, but the key is finding what fits your skills and goals. Let me know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. And don't stop here. Check out this video on how to build wealth in 2025, or this one on the best ETFs for passive income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on money-making tips. Let's make passive income a reality together. See you in the next one.